Okay, I already tamed this bird. Her name is Sugar, and my real name is Xanvia. So I already tamed this bird, which I already fed her. And her name's Sugar. She's the friendliest bird in the other cage over there. So beautiful color and very cute. But she's still a baby. But I have to be very gentle with her for some reason because she is a baby.
Wait, my bird's stuck.
And sharp claws.
So, okay. So this bird's name is Sparkle, and she's still a baby, but she just loves cuddles, and I just want to train her, but she's not trained yet, and she's a baby. Okay, I'm done.